guys, it's Marie with WTI, and this scrubber brush really changed the way that I clean.
The curve of the tub is one of the hardest places to clean, but not with this brush. It's also really awesome with the wider parts of the tub, the sides of the tub. You can really get a lot of space covered. Also, the top part makes it really easy to get in the crevices. I also really appreciate the way that it's made. I love the triangle handle so you can really hold on to it from each side, which will give you more control depending on the surface. It also is really great for the sink. I use the round side to really get in there all around. It really covers the big parts and the small parts.
So if you are looking for a scrubber brush that gets into all the nooks and crevices and even the big part of the tub, I really highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.